Now we are going to see the fifth part of the ecosystem, that is the classification of plant succession. Under that you are going to see the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, that is succession starts in region where water is plenty. Example, ponds, lakes, streams and swamp. It includes the following stages, that is phytoplankton stage, submerged plant stage, submerged free floating stage, reed swamp stage, marsh meadow stage, shrub stage and forest stage. Now we can see one by one in detail. Phytoplankton stage. It is the first stage of succession consisting of the pioneer community like blue-green algae, diatoms, bacteria, etc. The colonization of these organisms enrich the amount of organic matter and nutrients of pond due to their life activities and death. Now we are going to see the submerged plant stage. As a result of death and decomposition of planktons, silt brought from land by rainwater lead to loose mud formation at the bottom of the pond. Hence, the rooted submerged hydrophytes begin to appear on the new substratum. Example, Chara, Utricularia, Vallisneria and Hydrilla, etc. Next, submerged free floating stage. During this stage, the depth of the pond will become at most 2 to 5 feet. Hence, the rooted hydrophytic plants and with floating large leaves starts colonizing the ponds. Example, rooted floating plants like Nelumbo, Nymphea and Trappa. Reed swamp stage. It is also called as amphibious stage. During this stage, rooted floating plants are replaced by plants which can live successfully in aquatic as well as aerial environment. Example, Nympha. Next, marsh meadow stage. When the pond becomes shallow due to decreasing water levels, species of Cyperaceae and Poaceae such as Carex, Juncus, Cypress colonize the area. They form a mat-like vegetation with the help of their much-branched rooted system. This leads to an absorption and loss of large quantity of water. At the end of this stage, the soil becomes dry and the marshy vegetation disappears gradually and leads to shrub stage. Now we are going to see the shrub stage. As the disappearance of marshy vegetation continues, soil becomes dry. Hence, these areas are now invaded by terrestrial plants like shrubs, salix and cornus, and trees like populus and alnus. These plants absorb large quantity of water and make the habitat dry. Forest stage. It is the climax community of hydrosphere. A variety of trees invade the areas and develop any one of the diverse type of vegetation. Example, temperature mixed forest, that is Ulmus, Acer and Quercus, and tropical rainforest is Atrocarpus and Cinnamomum, and tropical deciduous forest such as bamboo and Tectona. Mesosphere, successive starts in region where moisture condition is adequate. It is divided into three types. Lithosphere initiating on a barren rock, halosphere initiating in saline water, samosphere is initiating on a sand, and xerosphere successive starts in region where moisture is present in minimal amount with water. Now we are going to see the signification of plant succession, which is the last topic of the ecology, that is plant ecology. Successive and dynamic process, hence an ecological can access and study the several stages of a plant community found in a particular area. The knowledge of ecological succession helps to understand the controlled growth of one or more species in a forest. Utilizing the knowledge of succession, even dams can be protected by preventing siltation. It gives information about the technique to be used during reforestation and afforestation. It helps in the maintenance of pastorages. Plant succession helps to maintain species diversity in an ecosystem. Patterns of diversity during succession are influenced by resource availability and disturbance by variety or various factors. Primary succession involves the colonization of habitat of an area devoid of life. Secondary succession involves the re-establishment of a plant community in disturbed or distributed area or habitat. Forest and vegetation that we come across all over the world are the result of plant succession. Thank you students. I hope you have all understood this lesson of plant ecology. I will see you in the next class. Be safe.